everybody, I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and it is a summer Fabfitfun box. That's what the box looks like. If you're new to Fabfitfun and you're interested in learning a little bit more about it, then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I chose for this season's box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Fabfitfun is based in the US and they ship to UK. They also ship to Canada, Alaska, Hawaii and Puerto Rico. Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box, and inside contains 8 random items that you get to choose the majority of the products yourself. They range from skincare, hair care, makeup, jewellery, fitness, home decor, kitchenware, clothing. Everything you can think of, really. Besides food, we've never had a sweet treat option. I've been subscribing to Fabfitfun for a year now, and yeah, it's definitely a subscription I'm just going to continue to subscribe to because I get really excited. The cost of the box is $49. It's free shipping within the US. It's around $10 shipping to UK, and also there's VAT on top, which is around $7 to $8. So you're looking around $65 per quarter for this box, which works out to be around £50. Something like that. Each box has a value of at least $200. Now, some of the products are questionable. Do they really cost that much? But in all honesty, the price of the items is not what excites me. It's the products themselves, and whether I think they're all worth like the £50 odd that I pay for the boxes. All the products are full size as well, and they offer 2 types of subscriptions. So you've got a season by season subscription, which means that you can cancel any time, or you can do what I do. You pay upfront for a year and then you become a select member. Now, there's some new rules come into the subscription recently that I still haven't got my head around properly. It means that all the select members now, we get to choose all of the products inside the box. All 8 products that go inside the box, we get to choose them. Whereas before, I believe it was 5, and season by season subscribers got to choose 4, and then Fabfitfun chose the rest for us. I think that's it anyway. So select members get to choose their products a couple of weeks before the season by season members. Plus Fabfitfun have regular sort of sales on their website where they have lots of products with a huge markdown of up to about 70%. Prior to a box release, they have what's known as an edit sale. So any products that you choose, you get charged for the subscription and the products all together. So I think that's it as far as information goes. I'll pop all links and everything related to the subscription and their website. So if you want to learn a little bit more about it, then you will find it down there, as well as a refer a friend code, which you're welcome to use. If you want $15 off your first box, then you will find that down in the description as well. So let's get on to showing you what I chose for this summer box. So inside the box you'll find a magazine, and in here details everything about the products inside the box, plus it shows you all the categories of all the products that you could have chosen from. So I'll show that to you as we go along so that you have an idea of what the categories are like. Yeah, it's a nice little magazine to read there. So there's that, and I'll just give you a sneak peek of what I've got. When the website is live to choose your products for the up and coming box, say for instance in customization 1 you've got 5 or 6 products. Say if you want 2 of them, you really can't make up your mind, you've got the option to choose one, and then you've got the option to pay for the other one. You pay an extra $10. This is my little add-on, and I'm so chuffed that I went for it. It's Virginia Woolf. You can wear it as a sarong, you can turn it into a halter dress. It's a type of item that is going to be so handy. I don't own anything this big. So say for instance if I'm in Greece and I'm going into a church, I need to cover up, then this is perfect, you know. I can put this in my bag if I need it. On a beach, you know, cover myself up, etc. I absolutely love this. I'm so chuffed that I got this. That's the only item I chose as an additional where I had to pay. What I've noticed in this magazine, they don't give you the prices of the products anymore. I wonder if because like there's a lot of people like me that take the piss. It's like really £100 for those pair of socks. Nah. I think on the website, I will have a look now and I'll add it up on the screen at the end. I think it does tell you what your total value of your box is, but obviously it doesn't tell you in a magazine individually. So category 1 then. So you can see there, it's these items there. So that is what I paid extra for. and this is what I chose. This is $99, and I remember that because when you're actually choosing the products, they have the prices up then, but I can't remember what anything else is. I just remember this being $99. So it's a face brush. Now I'm actually going to give this to my daughter. Gosh, she's lucky. She is so lucky. Oh, me, 15-year-old Claire. I would have loved a family member that was obsessed with beauty. No one was. No one was. So I never had any like freebies or any samples or anything like that. My daughter is lucky. The reason I'm giving this to her is because I've got a Foreo, which is literally the same. I like that. It's got a little stand there. So I forgot to say this is by the brand PMD. And they've given a battery there as well. Massaging serums, soft silicone bristles, waterproof, ergonomic design, easy AA battery. So I've just put a battery in. See, it's bendy. You're not going to be able to see anything there with my hand vibrating a little bit. It's a little like, oh, it goes faster. Is this really for your face? It's pulsating now. Can you hear? Why would you want all these different speeds and pulsations? There, off. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? So we've got a smart facial cleansing device from PMD. Next, customization 2. I'll just show you all along the bottom there, but you might be able to see there. Some items only available in the US and Canada. Can be annoying, especially if there's like straighteners, which we have had in the past, and some really gorgeous travel bags as well. We weren't able to get them, so that can be frustrating. But yeah, so they are the other items then. I really like those. I didn't get them, and I was umming and ahhing thinking, shall I get it as an extra? But I didn't. I chose this. This is a little travelling jewellery case by the brand Millie. Yeah, look at the design. That is gorgeous, isn't it? I do really like that. Got a little compartment for rings, or maybe simple chain necklaces, maybe, and a mirror. And then something in there as well. That's quite small. Quite small. For a travel one, it'd be lovely if there was one double the size for me anyway. Customization number 3 up top here. I love that SPF. It's only available in the US, unfortunately. I absolutely love it though, so I was gutted I couldn't get that. So I went for the wine tumbler and straw. 9 hours cold, 3 hours hot. It's a little tumbler there. Yeah, I do actually really like that. That'd be nice for like soups as well. I wouldn't really use that for wine unless I was desperate. It has to be in a glass. I don't get the same satisfaction. I only enjoy drinking wine in a proper wine glass. A bit weird. But are any of you like that? Are you the same as me? And then we got the straw then to go in there. I do really like it. I do really like it. But I'm more likely to put like tea or coffee or a cold drink or something. Not necessarily wine. So that's what I chose. Customization number 4. We just had 4 items to choose from. So not a huge selection there. But if you've been following me for a long while, you'll probably guess what I went for. I went for a facial spray. CRT London watermelon facial spray. This is 75 mils. And out of everything in the box, besides the scarf, this is the only item that I actually opened up. I couldn't resist. I had to smell it. I had to smell it. I'm obsessed with watermelon and facial sprays. So it is gorgeous. It is so nice. Oh, it is so refreshing. It's not strong. Well, watermelon isn't a strong smell anyway. It says mist and set with Ciati London's watermelon burst setting spray, infused in watermelon extract and niacinamide. This is the perfect finish for dewy fresh skin. So that's what I chose for customization number 4. Season by season subscribers will have up until customization number 4 to choose their products, and then all the products after that Fabfitfun choose for them. But for annual subscribers, which is what I am, I got to choose the rest of the products. So in customization number 5, we've got the 2 rows there, and again, nothing that really stands out. I have recently got that in a subscription box, or if I hadn't I would have got that. I've had those before. I quite fancy that, but only for Instagram photo props purposes. So yeah, there was nothing really there. And the cosmetics, US and Canada only. Flight mode mask. Last time I went on a plane was 2019, and it doesn't look like I'm going to be going anytime soon. And I've already got the Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser as well, that I think I probably got in a Fabfitfun box last year sometime. So that only left one thing. A selfie light for my phone. I've just put the batteries in, so that's what it looks like there. So you just clip onto your phone like that. So let's try it. There's a little mini ring light. Let's see what it looks like on my phone. So yeah, so obviously you wouldn't put it on the back because you've got your own phone's light. But yeah, I wonder what that would be like actually. How does it go? Can you see a difference here? If I turn this light off just to give there, it's really difficult to see. So if I put you there, yeah, that works quite well, doesn't it? You can see me clearly as opposed to there. Yeah, I like that. It's got a selfie light. Then comes the final customization, customization 6, and it's the new part of the subscription, which confused the heck out of me. So if you're an annual subscriber, you will get to choose either a set of 3 different products in 5 different categories, I'll show you now, or you can opt for an individual product. Now this is what confuses me, okay? So this is all of customization number 6. You can choose any one of these. But say for instance I went for this mask, does that mean then I can't choose anything else? So I'll just be receiving 5 items in my box. Normally I'd receive 8 items in my box. So I am a little bit confused with that. But anyway, I ended up going for one of these. So I went for these 3. Now this looks absolutely crap. This is by Barefoot Scientist. Ah, okay. From the outer packaging, it just looked like it was just going to be like smooth plastic. I was thinking, how is that going to get rid of like dead skin on my feet? But no, it is like sandpaper. And that one on the back there, look. Well. So it is like sandpaper. No, I take that back. I take back what I said. Then I got a multi-use sponge gel. This is Tea Blossom, a body wash infused buffer. I've had these before in Fabfitfun boxes, and they are nice. They are really nice, but they don't excite me because I've had them before. It's a sponge and it's got like a shower cream inside or a bath cream inside, so you get to wash your body. It's a handy thing to take on holiday. Again in the summer, something like that. Oh, it smells nice actually. It does smell nice. And lastly, I got ice cube molds. This is by the brand Blush, and they're pineapple shaped ice molds. That is cute. That is really cute. I know the kids would love this. It's not something that I would go out and buy personally, but yeah, it is cute. So there you go. So those are all the items inside my summer Fabfitfun box, and I got to choose everything this time. My favourite product of the box, besides this, if I didn't already have a device similar to this, then I'd be really excited to have this because, you know, it's worth nearly £100, and yeah, it's a bit different, but it seems nice. But besides that, I love this. So for me, category 1 is the winner. All the other categories were a bit meh. This box, unfortunately for me, I just found it difficult to choose the items. I don't know, am I the only one feeling this? Do you subscribe to Fabfitfun? I'd love to hear what you think of this box. I'm a huge fan of this subscription, so I'm going to continue to subscribe. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.